Today I'm checking out this poker mat here from VEVOR. Now I was sent this at no cost so I can do this review. As you can see here, there looks like there's 5 models, basically different colors, black, blue, green, and then another green and black. I've got this one here that's black. So let's go ahead and take this thing out of the box and check it out. When you take it out of the box, you're gonna find it stuffed into this carrying bag it has here, and this is it all rolled up. And it fits really nicely in this carrying bag. I mean, it should be no problem to put it right back in there. And it's a nice kind of heavy material. I thought it was going to be a little thinner than this, but it's got a really nice backing on it. Very rubbery and soft. This should really stick to any kind of table surface, really. So that's nice. I'm going to go ahead and unroll this on our kitchen nook table here, which is, a pretty good sized table. It's a 6-person seating, dinner table. And I'm gonna fold it out in here so we can get a size on it. But we also have a custom made poker table. I'm gonna compare it to that size too. And here it is all laid out. It fits actually awesome on this table here. So we do a lot of poker nights at our house. We do have, like I said, a custom made poker table, and our oldest son is actually a professional poker dealer. So we do play poker in the house a lot. So sometimes there's just way too many people that our poker table can handle, and we have kind of overflow. This would be awesome to be able to let people come in here and play, while they're at the other table also. But this would also be good for when we go on vacations or trips, because other members of our family, our extended family, they like to play poker. A lot of times they're just at a table playing. But having this nice little felt mat really will go nicely with that. And again, like I said, my son's a professional poker dealer. When you're a dealer, you really appreciate the fact of having a mat like this versus just playing on a table, because you're used to flipping these cards in certain ways. And when he tosses those cards out, I mean, they land perfectly, but he's used to a felt top type of material like this. So when he's doing that on, a table like this with just like a lacquer finish, I mean, those cards can go all over the place, and he really has to kind of reprogram the way he throws because of the surface. So this would be, really nice for him on that. And the fact that it just rolls up into that little carrying bag, I mean, it doesn't take up any space hardly at all. We could keep this in our RV and take it on trips and stuff. So anyways, very nice, portable little roll-out poker top. Let's go ahead and just see how it compares on the professional table. All right, and here it is on top of our custom table. And as you can see, it's almost exactly the same size. The custom table is the felt that's underneath this. So this one is a little bit shorter this direction and a little bit wider this direction, which I think is probably designed that way to fit better on like a regular table. This is a custom made table meant to, consume the least amount of space but give you the most playing space. And this right here would be more laying it on top of an existing type of table and still giving you a really good area to play in. But yeah, I really like this. Definitely think we're going to be using it, and I'm going to go ahead and roll it up and show you what it looks like all rolled up back in its little carrying case. It went back in there very easy. Just roll it up when it's on the table, slides right in. It's got this nice little handle on this so you can sling it over your shoulder. It is adjustable, and it's very lightweight, so you'll put that over your shoulder and you'll probably not even know it's there. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.